What's up, guys? So today's gonna be a little bit different video. I decided I'm gonna start doing more just like vlog style videos, just showing you guys what I do, kind of thing. Today we're in the workshop. It's my father-in-law's workshop, where I make all my racks, the squeegees I'm gonna be launching soon, and now the mini racks for mounting on the end of a table, put masking on a big roll vinyl. Of that, which are these guys right here. So they will hold 2 rolls, and they'll just be able to screw them to the end of a table, mount them. It's a very simple, basic thing, easy for any shop that's just starting to be able to have some good equipment and make their lives easier than when I started. So when I started, I just put some garbage together, some wood, old rod, and it looked like garbage. So yeah, I'll probably start using one of these too. In the space where I mask all the decals and stuff to put on orders and stuff like that. Obviously it won't be used on road because okay, now that the compressor's done, I can talk. Obviously, we're not going to use those at Rogue or at the Rogue shop. I will be putting some racks up at the new Rogue shop eventually, but won't be using those mini ones because we have a big table I made that leads getting a fancy roll holder on there. So, but yeah, this is the table that I use most of the time. It's my father-in-law's table. It's not. This table is actually just made with old doors. Pretty much just a sanding table. Over there we have a mini spray booth. So the grooves all get cut on the CNC, and then the actual pieces get cut on the table saw. So this is our mini booth. We got a big fan up there that sucks up and out. Spray gun, just spraying some sealer on these guys. These are that's the first batch of those 2-roll racks. Had a couple of customers ask me to make something of that, so decided to do it on the last batch of racks that we made, add a couple of those, and we'll probably ship one out today or tomorrow yet. So they will be on the site by the time this video is up. But this is my day, guys. I thought maybe I'd just show you guys a little bit of a vlog today, just a shop vlog, working on TL wrap tools stuff, and just getting it ready. Show you guys here the finished product of those mini racks, cable mounted racks. These guys right here. So they come in a set like this, and you just take them and decide which, how high you want it. Pre-drill 2 holes, screwed on, and you've got a nice table mounted rack. They're finished, they're coated. As you can tell, it's like a satin finish. It's kind of glossy, not crazy glossy. So I think it looks really good. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of those. These ones I did just opt to go and put some decals on them. These ones, the decals were put on afterwards. The next batch, I'm gonna put the decal on before I coat them. That way it's gonna stay on there forever. And it's nice and small, so. The link is in the description to my website if you guys want to check out any of this stuff. Now we're back from the shop into the assembly room. This is a room and desk or workbench where I assemble all the racks and everything, and where everything gets stained. It's a little bit of a mess right now, but this is the staining area, and then assembly moves over here. From assembly, I'm going to be removing this and just making this into a bigger table from right here all the way over there. A little bit of a mess right now. little busy trying to get things figured out. Yeah, so this right here is the shipping table. So once they're done being assembled, they just get transferred over here, and then from here packaged up, and then there till they're ready to ship. So this is the office portion of the room. This computer here just runs the plotter. It's a really old plotter, but works amazing. Runs that. My iPad's usually here, but my wife and girls have been using it, so it's upstairs. Printer prints out packing slips and stuff, which then end up over here in order of who placed the order first. Work my way down the line. Actually, just kind of works its way. And we got stickers and decals and business cards and some inventory. And then these are all these screws that go with the 12 roll racks for black racks or raw racks. 7 roll rack screws back there, decals that go onto my packages, and some more inventory and tools and supplies and stuff over there. That's the setup, guys. That's how this business pretty much runs. I mean, that's not like behind the scenes, but that's showing you guys everything from the shop where they get cut out, sanded, and then from assembly to shipping. Let me know if you guys like these kind of videos, and if you guys want to see more of these, gladly do more of them, and maybe more in-depth or less in-depth than just cool B-roll kind of stuff. Obviously that takes more time, but this is just a way for me to start. This is just a way for me to continue making some videos, even though I'm pretty busy and work a few different jobs still. I am self-employed. I just contract myself out to some other businesses right now. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and when I do, I will do a giveaway. Make sure you guys go check out my personal Instagram and my business Instagram, which, they'll be right there. Talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.